vlog here. Finally in my apartment for the housing for the Broadmoor. A couple of days getting settled in. I'll go over some details later. I'll do a little brief tour of the room and then do a little bit of talk. Alright, so in my apartment, getting settled in, take you on a little tour. 2-bedroom, 1 bath. I have 2 roommates and they go to college together, so I lucked out, and for now I have the room to myself, although that is my stuff on the other bed right now. So let's take you on a little tour. My apologies for the shaky camera and darkness. Just showing you the pretty unorganized living room. Nice little window up there, the couch and the table. I'll walk over here to the unorganized and broken furniture, and that's about it. I'm cleaning my clothes basket right now. Had some young sauce in it. So that's outside. We got a nice little balcony. Dope little view through the screen here. Not bad. Nice little kitchen for the kids. So take 50 of me trying to do this little motivational talk. I just couldn't find the right words for what I wanted to say. I'm gonna try and simplify it. I always try and go above and beyond. It comes out way too long. The words are too big. I stutter. So let's just get right to the point. I'll keep it simple. So when things go wrong in your day-to-day life, how do you act? What do you say? What do you do? How do you treat others? Now all of that needs to be taken into consideration when finding out just what in your mindset is being broke down and how do you fix it. Fixing it is easy with taking one big step back and viewing everything around you. Your environment, how you perceive things, your outlook on life, your family, your friends, who you're surrounded by. That all plays into the environment. Now, a little change in that environment can get your mindset back on track. And so when things happen, when there's a bump in the road, when life throws a curveball at you, the things that you do, the things that you say, and if you show that you're breaking down to others, all of that defines you. Now, the actions that you may do don't define you, but your overall outlook on them will. So with that being said, little things like writing things down on a whiteboard just to erase them, getting tasks done. If you make your bed in the morning, you hop out of bed, you erase that off the board, it hits you with a shot of dopamine. It keeps everything on track. You keep that high throughout the day. Things like that keep the mindset strong, keep your perspective clear. And also, when those little curveballs come and when the bumps in the road come, you're not so overwhelmed. You're not so overwhelmed to the point where you want to give up, you want to give in. You'll just keep moving, you'll keep grinding, and things will come out a lot better. So, my 2 tips for you: take a step back, look at your environment, see what you can change. The small little changes make big impacts. And secondly, write things down, whether it's on a notepad, a whiteboard, whatever it may be, whatever's going to give you that little shot of dopamine of satisfaction of getting something done, clearing your mind, and organizing your thoughts. And that for you is the little motivational tip, and this is where I'll end the vlog. Thank you for watching.